In this video, we're gonna go through amazing app just called BeReal. It's surging in the top charts in the US App Store. So as you can see, it's number 10, just under Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram. Yeah, and it's just during recent months, it's just really went up in the charts. So what's the idea of the app? So it's very simple. It says it's the simplest photo sharing app to share once a day your real life in photo with friends. Every day at a different time, everyone captures a photo within 2 minutes. Capture and post in time to discover what your friends are up to. So that's the cool concept, basically, that you sign up for an app, you get a notification, and you just instantly need to post a photo whenever you are. And it's a bit opposite to like all these things with Instagram, where you just need to post your luxury lifestyle, luxury cars and all of that. Of course it's okay to do that, but then you kind of creating a bit of like sometimes not that real lifestyle. But in this app is just what it says: be real, just post wherever you are, what exactly you look like. And that's much more like kind of liberating for a lot of people, because you don't see all the perfect lifestyle as on Instagram all the time. Maybe that's how I think about it. And then so you have like discovery feed. BeReal camera takes your photo, like, so it's simultaneously front and back camera. I will show you during the full tutorial. So it takes your selfie and the image you are taking photo of. Then there is discovery feeds. There are some challenges, comments, emojis, map. There are some like BeReal memories. And then they recently added widget emoji. So it's like a BeReal widget which you can add on the home screen. And that's why this app also skyrocketed in charts, similar to Locket widget on LivePeak app or something like that. So it's really like app which challenges your creativity. You need to post something really creative, even if you're in a very like standard, like boring situation and stuff like that. But you can see that this idea is really just catching up. 16,000 ratings, 4.9 out of 5 average rating, and all of that. So let's just open the app and see why everyone loves it. So here is how the app looks like. You can easily create an account with your phone number and stuff like that. Just reserve your username. But then basically you need to allow notifications, and once per day, I don't know, maybe at the same time or different times, you will receive a notification to take your BeReal, and you have a limited time to do that. So for example, take BeReal. I can change the like photo like this. I can enable or disable flashlight, and I have like 2 minutes. As you can see, the counter is in the top part, just to take this BeReal. So I can just take the photo, and then you will see that it also takes the photo from the front camera. So this is the BeReal, and then I can select if I want to share. Select my audience if I want to share it with everyone. Or I just want to share it with only with my friends. So completely depends. Then I can also like choose to disable my address and stuff like that. And then basically I just send it, and then my BeReal is uploaded. I'll just take, and then I can add a caption like hello or some whatever. Then you can also see all the real emojis. So real emojis are basically reactions, so your friends can react here. So that's basically it. Of course, you can then just see all the stats. You can see comments, real emojis. You can see options, and then just delete your BeReal as well. Then that's basically it, and you just posted your picture. It's not like, some fancy image, like what's the point of this app? You just posting some random like pictures from your regular life. But I mean, a lot of people find it really, really fun because yeah, you just add your friends, and your friends also receiving these notifications to post these images, and you just see what exactly your friends are doing at this moment. Like, so they just require to post one picture per day, every day, and they have 2 minutes to do it. And then yeah, you just post that, and then you can see how your friends are hanging out. So this is okay. You can add friends. I don't know why it's not working yet. Just tap to add friends in the top left. Then you can search by username. You can see all your friend requests. Your friend requests will appear on this tab. Then there is discovery feed. So let's just watch. You can watch some, discovery feed. Don't know, maybe it's not, you can report that, but you can just go here. You can react with real emojis. Tap an emoji to create your first real emoji. And that's your real emojis. That's how you can react to some image. I don't know. I don't know why the images are not showing up here. Maybe because I'm just doing screen recording and it's blocking it. Maybe that's the case, but anyways, you can go to profile, you can copy profile URL, report, cancel, so similar as on Instagram or any other social network. Then you just have your profile. You can see all your memories, all your previous photos you posted. So okay, let's just restart the app. Maybe this app is also a bit buggy. Like if you start using it, sometimes you see that some stuff doesn't really work. Okay, so now you can see memories here. So here is some memory from this date. I can share it. I can add to photos. I can delete from memories. I can share BeReal. But as you can see, this app didn't work. Now I just restarted it, and now it's kind of working again. So a bit weird. Yeah, people write in interviews that yeah, there are still some bugs and glitches. So that's how it is at the moment. Yeah. So here's final discovery feed is working, so you can see kind of photos. So just people, someone is sitting in a library somewhere, someone is on the sofa, someone like in a barber shop, like this kind of random photos. But it's also like super fun because yeah, something like that. Someone is cooking, eating sushi. It's like that. So it's not it's not fancy Instagram live. So this social network is completely opposite to that, and that's why it catches some attention among teenagers and among many users. So that's the idea. So that's how it looks like. And then I can see my memories. I can view all my memories. They're displayed here. I can copy my link. I can share it. Then here is my profile. Here is my name, full name, my bio, my location. I can add a profile picture here. I can see memories. Also, if you're concerned about your privacy and stuff like that, you can always deactivate and delete memories from here. So that's that. Then there are settings. You can clear cache from settings. Clear BeReal cache, clear friends cache. So that's what you can do. You can also introduce fast camera. It reduces quality, but I think then it is faster to use your app. So then there is help. Like some people asking, you need to go to profile setting, contacts us, delete my account to delete your account. So here you can tap delete your account, and then just delete the account from here. You can also contact support from all these settings, but and change your phone number. But I get that, you know, sometimes you can be concerned about your privacy and all of that, all the photos you posted. It's hard to delete some of them, so you will be just thinking the best option is just to delete your account. So that's the idea. What else you can read about? You can read privacy policy, notifications. You can manage all the notifications, how you want them to appear. So that's about it. So that's basically an overview. I hope it makes some of the things clear for you. Yes, there are a lot of like new answers when you're using this app. Like, you know, for example, when I was posting my BeReal, like I changed the privacy from from discovery feed to just available to my friends. So that's what people are concerned about, like how to make sure that this app is only seen by this picture is only seen by my friends. So that's about that. But anyways, I think there will be so many improvements to this app, and I think it will grow. Of course, like the additional feature is that you can add a widget emoji. So tap and hold until the apps start jiggling, and then you can add BeReal. So this is the widget emoji. So your friends reacting with react emojis on your home screen. So then there you have it. And if people react with real emojis, they will be appearing on your home screen. So that's pretty cool. So that's similar to Locket Widget or Noted Widget app. And I think they just released this big feature recently. And after that, it's quite popular. And, you know, I also like these widget apps. Like you don't need to go to the app, open the app, like, you know, do all these steps. You can just have everything on your home screen or any other screen. So that's the idea. Anyways, hope you like this overview. If you have any additional questions, just leave them below, because again, there are still bugs here and there. Like, for example, some people say that if you try to post a photo and then you close the app, the photo won't be posted. So wait until your photo is completely uploaded. Also, for some people, the app is not working. They can't open or can't create an account, as you have seen here. So what I would suggest to do is just double tap, and then you can just swipe up and restart the app. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi connection or 4G like a cellular connection is fast enough. Like, update this app constantly. I think there are just a lot of new features added, a lot of bugs fixed. That's how it is with this app. You can always reach out to their support. So that's so far like how I explored this app. Hope it is helpful for you, and see you in the next videos.